Ms. Smita Mishra.
2 to 3 ideas are so beautiful in national education policy. Technology really creates a lot of impact. Beta, no, you should not use social media. This will not work. Do you think it will work? No. But if you will tell them, beta, if you are using it, this can be the effect, this can be the effect. यहाँ से ये नुकसान है, यहाँ से ये फायदा है. In this way you can train them. सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं. मेरी कोशिश है कि हर सूरत बदलनी चाहिए. और तेरे सीने में ना सही तो मेरे सीने में सही, और मेरे सीने में ना सही तो तेरे सीने में सही. हो कहीं भी आग, लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए. Effort never goes waste. Keep on giving effort.
You have trained so many principals and teachers across the city. So I wanted to know how does that session happens, and what why you started taking those workshops and how it has helped the teachers specifically.
Actually, these workshops are under the Ministry of Education and implemented through the Center of Excellence, CBSE. So because being a master trainer, when you have as I said before also, you should have command on your subject. So when you have command on your subject, दुनिया समझ जाती है कि आपका ये कमांड है. जब आप बोल रहे हैं, जब आप लिख रहे हैं, so that is visible. So as a master trainer, I have been given master training in health and wellness. I have been given master training in Guru Dakshata. I have been given master training in NEP. So that is why, because CBSE then allots the work and the districts under me, then I train. I love training teachers, because if even one child is affected by that, I ask my teachers, those who are my training sessions, 1% भी ले लो कुछ ट्रेनिंग का and implement that. It's not possible that 100% you can implement, but something you should take from the workshop and implement it in your school. And when I go to others, I take online also, many of the online sessions. Some sessions I take in different regions also, like I went to Jamshedpur, I went to Nagpur, so many I have taken sessions. So when I went to Jamshedpur, that was an offline training. So the seat capacity was full. 700 participants were there. And they said, मैम हमने देखा जब स्मिता मैम का सेशन है, हमने आपको ऑनलाइन सुना था, and we wanted to come for your session. That was a reward for me.
So ma'am, what do you think?
Effect तो आ ही रहा है सोसाइटी में, change तो आ ही रहा है.
So ma'am, what do you think inspires you to keep doing these workshops, and want to know more about these workshops, specifically what parts and pointers you are focusing on majorly for the teachers? And how are these teachers and all the aspiring teachers who are currently viewing us, why they should come to the workshop and how they are getting benefit from it?
Yes, see, the first thing that National Education Policy tells about that, you have to have very strong hold on your lesson planning. Lesson planning is the key, because you cannot go unplanned in your class. Even if you're taking grade 2, ये तो हमें आता है, हम तो पढ़ा लेंगे नहीं. ये तो plan your lesson. Because lesson planning is very important. What kind of pedagogy you are using, because NEP says that you have to use different pedagogical strategies, like it can be art integrated technique, like it can be the storytelling technique, it can be the presentation technique, means it has to be there. One art integrated technique, and what kind of 21st century skills you are imbibing in your children through your lesson plan. अगर आपने water पढ़ाया है topic, तो उसमें ये लाइफ स्किल आई, ये वाला स्किल आया कि रिजर्व भी करना है वाटर को, राइट? सो लेसन प्लानिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड एज लेसन प्लानिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी पे बहुत होल्ड होना चाहिए टीचर्स का. हेड, हार्ट एंड हैंड, कॉग्निटिव, साइकोमोटर एंड इफेक्टिव. थिंक फ्रॉम योर हार्ट, डू फ्रॉम योर ब्रेन एंड इम्प्लीमेंट थ्रू योर हैंड्स. दिस इज द लेसन प्लान actually, because if these three domains are used in the lesson plan, you can have a very good classroom. And classroom is not only bounded in the four walls. It can be your playground, it can be your library, it can be your conference hall, it can be a sports room, anything.
From these three domains which you just mentioned, these seems very, can you elaborate more on these?
See, cognitive skills are the thinking skills, your thought processes, because child has to think positively, child has to think in a right direction. So cognitive skills are very important. Psychomotor skills are your, that how you're going to do it, implement it, the application. Because the child is not able to apply the knowledge in the real life, then that knowledge has no meaning. And the third thing is effective. I'll give an example. Suppose आपने water topic पढ़ाया बच्चे को, या pollution पढ़ाया आपने बच्चे को. So the child should have that effective domain built, effective. Like I have to conserve water. Water is so precious. From the heart, the child has to feel affective domain. And the child should think, cognitive. The child should think what kind of strategy should be there to make water replenished in our area, right? And psychomotor, if school का tap खुला है तो जाके बंद कर दो. Psychomotor. So Bloom's taxonomy, so कहता ही है, लेकिन हमारे बापू भी बहुत कुछ कहते थे. ये 3 head, heart and hand वही है, simplified version. And one more important thing that I tell my teachers, that give your instructions in simple language. If you say head, heart and hand, पहले आप ये बोलोगे, then psychomotor, affective and cognitive are clear. But if you say cognitive, affective and psychomotor, then the things may not be clear. So simplicity of the language and simplicity of a behavior is very important. Being simple is very important, but being simple is very difficult also.
I'm sorry.
Right?
You are often, it's, people are misjudged or not able. There are a lot of things which are happening. Right, ma'am. So, ma'am, you have, as I read about you, you have taken over 100 sessions and seminars, and you are managing such a big school. You are doing other things. You are taking workshops. So, like, is it not difficult?
No.
Like how you are using, like how you are, managing everything with such an ease, and you seem to have a lovely smile carrying throughout. like how do you manage it so easily? Like,
see, 3 things which I follow. One is my communication skill. There are 3 types of communication: aggressive, assertive and passive. I'll never go for passive because passive gives a negative impression. I never go for aggressive. I go for assertive. And प्यार से बोलो, firmly. There is a very fine line between being rude and being firm. So never shout on your subordinates. Never, humiliate them in front of others. Have a positive approach towards them. Compliment them when required. Acknowledge their efforts. So this is because communication is not only your words. 35% are only the words, and rest are your body language, your gestures. If you're not able to communicate, a simple pat on the shoulder will say everything. So communication, then time management is very important. Okay, without time management, nobody can do. Everyone has only 24. My father used to say, everyone has only 24 hours in their life in one day. Nobody has 1 second extra. Nobody has. So that is to be, because time is so precious. I never waste my time. I use social media, but that too also in a positive manner. And then lesson planning. I also do my lesson planning. Lesson planning means how do I plan my day? If suppose you had to come for the interview, I had planned accordingly that result within 2 hours should be updated so that when the team is here, their time is not wasted. Planning before, planning in advance. So 3 things: time management, planning and communication. And सबसे important क्या है? Communication. And communication सबसे important क्या है? Your body language. The tone of voice. Because modulation of voice is very important. Coming soft, then shouting करना नहीं. Pitch high is different and shouting is different. So your body language, communication, time management, lesson plan
will help you to manage everything.
Whatever occupation you are into.
Everything will be managed. So ma'am, is it like if you are running a school, so would you like to suggest few things that would make someone else's work easy? Like how you have made your management, so
3 lines में I will sum up. If you say that सिर्फ सबके लिए होना चाहिए ये, that सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं. मेरी कोशिश है कि हर सूरत बदलनी चाहिए, और तेरे सीने में ना सही तो मेरे सीने में सही, और मेरे सीने में ना सही तो तेरे सीने में सही. हो कहीं भी आग, लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए. Effort never goes waste. Keep on giving effort. Right direction, right approach, and with the right communication and body language, you can achieve the target.
Thank you so much for nice lines. Very nice lines. I'll definitely try to invoke them in my life. If I talk about the new things which I read that you have been associated with the ANTAP group of technologies, and through them you have you must have learned a lot about the newer technologies and methods which are coming up in the education. So can you please tell us a few things about it, like how it has benefited you, and how it will help the students, you know, in becoming better at what they are doing and what they are learning?
I think I've already described also, because after getting into this and with being associated with the technological, entire group, or so many platforms are there. So we started using technology like in the classes. Like I have already told that with the hyperlinks for the एक सिमुलेशन होता है. जैसे आप मोटर ड्राइविंग जब सीखने जाते हैं तो एक तो सिखाते हैं लोग सीधे गाड़ी आपने सड़क पे कर दी और जाओ सीखो. और वन इज सिमुलेशन. Simulation is that giving the virtual reality of the thing, and then the person is made to drive on the roads. The same way in the science, if we give projects, if we give presentation, if we give on there to make them, aware of how to make the correct presentations, and creating the link so that the correct video is played at the correct time. So with this simulation, they can understand the reality, and then they can go ahead with the application of the knowledge. So technology has it's a very good bridge between the classroom knowledge to the real life application of the knowledge. So this way we can do, and then we have smart classes in almost every classes. We have smart classes, and we make sure that these are implemented with different kind of creativities. Right? Simply not content, playing the content. Now the students are sitting and the teacher is sitting, see the content. No, you can use so many things. Stylus is there. Then you can focus or light on that part. Supposingly labeling आप पढ़ा रहे हो, तो you can write and override. Now you hide it, and now the children, now you write it, and then you show that cursor that the hidden part will be it is correct or not. So many things are there with games, with techniques, with AR and VR, as I discussed before also. So technology really creates a lot of impact. They get interest, because main thing is creating the interest in the subject, and that interest cannot come only sitting in the classroom. टेक्नोलॉजी ये भी है कि आप बच्चे को किस तरह से लेटेस्ट टेक्निक्स अपडेट कर रहे हैं, है ना. Not only the latest techniques, but we had in our ancient Gurukul system also. Like when you are teaching geometry, you can teach mandana circle. टेक्नोलॉजी थी. हम अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी को हमेशा भूल जाते हैं. हम हमेशा बाहर की, हाँ ये नया वर्जन है. हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी को देखिए. Teach mandana circle, they will get all the concept of concentric circle, symmetrical, everything they will get from mandana circle. But mandana circle can be taught in the ground, not in the glass. So also, try to connect with the past traditional methods of teaching also, because really they had a very good technology in the ancient system.
So ma'am, do you think I read about ancient mathematics in my school days. I used to. Then there are a lot of workshops which used to happen on abacus, like how you use abacus, Vedic maths and those things. So do you think those methods, in some, not in a whole sense I would say, but in some sense should be, collaborated or integrated in our current education system, and how it can be, do you have any suggestions or opinion, how it can be integrated, and is it really beneficial?
Very beneficial. अभी जैसे मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ, आप यहाँ आए, गूगल मैप से आए होंगे आप लोग, गूगल में लोकेशन लगा के. जब गूगल नहीं था तो लोग कैसे जाते आते थे, बताइए. नहीं, they used to this wall and this painting यहाँ पे थी, ये मोड़ था, ये चौराहा था, ये था building. They used to think, and then their brain used to, because that is your very important memory cells of your brain, right, which are used when you think like this, when you coordinate the points, then those cells, they are activated. But when you only use the Google map, so you are not using those cells. तो आप ये देखिए ना, ये डिमेंशिया, अल्जाइमर्स, ये सब बढ़ रहा है ना, और अर्ली एजेस में सिम्टम्स आ रहे हैं ना. व्हाई दे आर कमिंग? बिकॉज वी आर नॉट यूजिंग दोज सेल्स ऑफ आवर ब्रेन विच आर यूज्ड इन कोऑर्डिनेटिंग द पॉइंट्स, विच आर नॉट कोऑर्डिनेटेड बाय गूगल मैप. अर्लियर वी यूज्ड टू कोऑर्डिनेट. Yes, now only we see the mobile and we come to the exact location. So आप देख रहे हो टेक्नोलॉजी से ये थोड़ा सा नुकसान है, लेकिन इसी टेक्नोलॉजी को अगर आपने इम्प्लीमेंट करना है तो there are so many things. Instead of using Google Map, why can't we have that kind of location marked in our phones कि इसके बाद ये आएगा point, इसके बाद ये point आएगा. We have to move like this. I'm just giving an example, है ना. So this way, मतलब बच्चों को, क्योंकि ये जो this is a very important which I have mentioned right now. It was because I have a balance between digital media and the print media. Print media को तो मैं बस make sure my day starts with, again I will say that be the change you want to see in others. When I call my children कि stop overuse of phone, and I am sitting in my office with my newspaper. मैंने कहा आपने पहले आकर के क्या देखा? मैम न्यूज़पेपर. कौन पढ़ रहा था? मैम आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे थे. तो पहला क्या काम होना चाहिए? रीडिंग. And what we do, we generally, this is for everyone, is for you also. Don't start your day by seeing the phone. Start your day by seeing the newspaper. And then, because then those cells, gray cells, these are the gray cells of your brain, memory cells. Use them properly. तो phone भी use करके हम use कर सकते हैं, लेकिन एकदम we will depend upon the phone, will depend upon ChatGPT, will depend upon for everything. तो creativity तो is lost ना.
Lost everywhere.
And if those cells, because body cells have a tendency after 24 hours, they are replenished. But those cells, once they are degraded, destroyed, they are not replenished. And that comes to dementia, short-term memory loss, anger issues, aggressive, are related to those cells. Think about it.
If I think, then one incident, if I may recall, like whenever we are visiting someone around the city, so few of the people like me, we have a tendency that we remember the way and don't use map and all. But I see around myself a lot of new generation which has just grown up and started going around. Even for the smallest distance of around 100 meters, 200 meters, they are like, I don't know the way, I'll just use the Google map. So do you think these things, and they are using calculators for every small calculations?
It's very harmful. For simple, देखो Vedic math से तो your basic calculation will become strong. When I have my administrative work going on, like admission process is going on, the first thing I ask is table. Table तो याद ही होनी चाहिए. That's it. Till 19. If you have learned the table, you know the basic calculation. आपको क्यों कैलकुलेटर की जरूरत पड़ती है? क्योंकि आपके बेसिक कैलकुलेशंस ही नहीं है. बच्चे मोबाइल पे वीडियो गेम खेलते हैं, लेकिन मोबाइल पे कैलकुलेटर भी वही है. सो दे आर नॉट, बिकॉज वैदिक मैथ से, अबैकस से, द काउंटिंग एंड एप्लीकेशन एंड द बेसिक कैलकुलेशन बिकम्स वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. वो जो पहले फिंगर पे कराते थे, अबैकस से कराते थे, वैदिक मैथ से होता था. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है वो. तो दो सेल्स व्हिच आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट ना, दे गेट, देयर फूड इज थिंकिंग, देयर फूड इज कैलकुलेटिंग, their food is coordinating the different points, and we are not giving that food to them. To whom? To the gray cells of the brain. They are, उनको बचाइए.
उनका analytical mind is getting weak.
We need to save the gray cells.
I hope we do, ma'am. We are trying our best. So, ma'am, there are so many distractions happening right now, and these, as you mentioned correctly, that the gray cells are dying. So in today's time, if I ask for a new age parent, like, or an aspiring teacher who has just started teaching, like what they should do or what they can do in whichever means or ways they can try, that can actually help in, saving those gray cells and saving those young minds for future, and, keep their brain as analytical as it used to be in our times.
See, I tell my new joinees and the new parents, because they have started using Google, so Google Map has been in use for the last 4 to 5 years, I think. But in their younger times, geotagging and all that, so they have used. But our children of this generation, they have not been using this kind of old technique. They have learned only to use a Google Map to save them. It's very important to, because Bloom's taxonomy, the revised or old version was, last pyramid was the evaluation, and the revised version, देखिए वो भी revise हुआ है, and the revised version is create. Starting is, the earlier version, the starting was knowledge and the ending was creation, evaluation, and the revised version, the starting is understanding, समझ में क्या आया, and the last one is create. Are you able to create from your idea something different, innovative? So inspire that creativity skill, innovative skill among your children. That is very important. And for that, you should also be creative. Na? Why only are you using ChatGPTs, and if I'm giving some task to you, you are using ChatGPT and bringing, ma'am, I have done my assignment. Use your creativity, right? Then only children will learn to use it. The first thing that is important is to imbibe those 21st century skills. Innovation, creation, social upbringing, and technology, then social behavior. कभी सोचा हमने? It is under 21st century skill. Social behavior. How you are treating your friends, your elders, didis, bhaiyas, ayas, mates, how you are treating them. I won a workshop which I attended with Dr. Kiran Bedi, and I asked from her, ma'am, what message will you give to our this generation. I thought she will give some insight on how to crack IPS or work hard and become an IAS officer. What she said, नहीं कुछ मत सिखाओ, पैर दबाना सिखाओ, पैर छूना सिखाओ, चाय बनाना सिखाओ, कोई घर आए तो दरवाज़ा खोल के पानी पूछना सिखाओ. Not only for girls but also for boys. To teach gratitude. This is from Dr. Kiran Bedi.
Absolutely.
See?
Yes. So, do you think the technology has a lot of negatives? As we understand, it has positive as well. It has a lot of negative.
Positive effects. More positive. But if we know how to create a balance.
And if I'm a new age parent or a aspiring teacher who wants to, leverage this technology to, make my students or my child a creator, a innovator who thinks out of the box, who is curious, who wants to explore. So, but all the methods I know are based on technology. There has to be a use of a gadget or something. So, I'm confused, like what should I do? So, to such parents or teachers, what would you like to say?
The first thing is that जब हम पढ़ाना शुरू करते हैं, when we start teaching, if the child is even able to raise hand for answering any question, or if he is able to raise hand for asking his doubt, आपका पहला चैप्टर कंप्लीट होता है. क्योंकि बच्चे में वो हिम्मत आई, वो आपने दी कि बच्चा हैंड रेज करके आपसे पूछ रहा है. तो मीन्स यू हैव स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग एन इनोवेटर इन द चाइल्ड, राइट? दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. तुम्हें तो आता नहीं, ये क्या गलत बता रहे हो तुम, ये क्या है? तो दिस वे द स्पिरिट इज डैम्प्ड, right? The child then gets scared. Now I will say something, I will make something, the teacher will scold me because maybe I will make something that may be correct, that may be not correct. So always, acknowledge the effort of the child, even if the child is even answering wrong also. But he has stood up in front of the whole class and tried to answer. So it means the confidence is there. So first thing is the confidence in the child that you can do. This is very important. Because motivation is the thing which we work very less upon, the motivational factor. ये तो बच्चे को आता ही होगा, इसको हमें ये थोड़ी ना पढ़ाना है, आपको सबसे पहले वही कराना था ताकि उससे So motivate your children, never humiliate them, and then always try to engage them and also engage yourself with, as a team you work with them, even the parents. If the homework task is given, a project assignment, engage with your children. Find out, this question we'll do like this assignment is given by the teacher, let us do it like this, in this kind of, and ask the version from the child also. So that will create the, creativity, which is very important.
They don't have a channel, they have thoughts from all the horizons of the world. And often they are, stopped or they are interrupted by adults that why you are doing this, don't do this, do in everything in a particular way. So I think that becomes a challenge. So from assessment point of view or analysis point of view, if a student is not able to score in something or in anything, so what a teacher or a parent should do, to make their analysis better?
नहीं. अब तो देखिए, now we have holistic progress card now. HPCs are in implementation now. HPC is holistic progress card. We are not assessing the child only on the marks or on the grades. Now we have different like internal assessment, portfolio. What is portfolio? Portfolio is the entire creativity of the child, what the child has created in the whole year. Maybe in the form of any drawing or any kind of certificate the child has received, or any, participation in the exhibition or inter-school competition. That is a portfolio of the child. And marks are allocated for portfolio also. So portfolio, internal assessment, pen and paper test is a part of the assessment.
It's not
It's a part of it. This is not the assessment. So first of all, you should know what is assessment. Many teachers, because see, we are now in the training processes. So we speak about it all. Only that assessment is not pen and paper. Assessment is in the entire assessment of the child, because it should be reflected in the report card also. है ना? क्योंकि हम सोचते रिपोर्ट कार्ड मतलब वो हाफ ईयरली का रिपोर्ट कार्ड, फाइनल का रिपोर्ट कार्ड. Yes. But the portfolio of the child also matters a lot. Now the CBSE has even given the sample of HPC, holistic progress cards. It's mentioned there that what portfolio, how much for the portfolio, how much for the other, pen paper, and how much for the internals. Everything is mentioned. So how can you assess a child only based on the marks? That's what I tell my parents also. मैं नंबर नहीं आया मैंने कहा पोर्टफोलियो देखिए अपने बच्चे का.
Extracurricular and all is so better, absolutely. मैम काश हमारे टाइम पे होता ऐसा कुछ हम लोग बच जाते. As now we are coming to the concluding part, so I wanted to know your any final opinion or any suggestion you have for new age parents.
See, my advice is that let the child grow at his or her own pace. All the children are not equal. Somebody is good in running, somebody is good in वो कहानी है ना कि एक जंगल था, उसमें एक गिलहरी है, एक मछली है, एक खरगोश है, और सबको टेस्ट देना है, और एक हाथी है, और भी बहुत सारे जानवर है, सबको टेस्ट देना है पेड़ पे चढ़ने वाला. एक गिलहरी भी है, तो उसमें गिलहरी टॉप करेगी, मछली तो तैर करके टॉप करेगी. बट वी वांट दैट, जंगल का टेस्ट ये है कि आप पेड़ पे कितनी स्पीड से चढ़ते हो. ये जस्ट एग्जाम्पल में दे रही हूँ, इससे कनेक्शन हो जाएगा सारा. तो पेड़ पे तो स्पीड में कौन चढ़ेगी? गिलहरी. बेचारी मछली तो वैसी मर जाएगी स्ट्रेस में आकर के कि मुझे तो तैरना अच्छा आता है, मैं तो कभी चढ़ी नहीं पेड़ पे. हाथी कहेगा मैं चढ़ूंगा तो पेड़ चढ़ जाए, वो हो जाएगा. लेकिन नहीं, तुम्हें तो क्योंकि एग्जाम है ना, इसमें चढ़ना है ऊपर, यही वाला एग्जाम हम चेंज नहीं करेंगे. सो इंक्लूसिव प्रैक्टिसेस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हियर, है ना. सो लेट द चाइल्ड डेवलप इट्स हिज और हर ओन स्किल एंड excel in that. Never, treat them on an equal platform. Very important to understand between equality and equity. एक फल से लदा पेड़ है, अपने क्लास के बच्चों को चाहो तोड़ के आओ फल, उसमें एक बच्चा ये है, एक बच्चा ऐसा है. सो इक्वालिटी दी आपने, go for everyone, go and pluck the fruits. What is equity? आप छोटे वाले बच्चे को एक स्टूल भी देंगे साथ में, उस पर चढ़ के तोड़ के लाओ.
Difference.
So provide that atmosphere for the young parents also. I say this only, have patience and faith in your child and in the system.
Yeah, in the system. So ma'am, like as I heard you along, I felt that you have a very holistic kind of mind which cares about the students a lot. So like as you were growing up, like what were the factors which made you in such a if I talk about my time, then it's a very if we had a teacher like you, then it would have been something very way ahead of our times. So like how you became like
very
this?
Very good question and very close to my heart. Again with an incident I'll tell you. I was in grade 12th. I was fascinated by my bio teacher. That's how I took my subject as a bio. So we had an inter-class competition of debate competition in the class only. Science students generally get very less time for these activities. And my roll number was 31, I remember it. And when my name was called, I was standing in front of only 40 students, only the class teacher. And I could only say, my name is Smita Mishra and my topic for today is this. That's it. My legs started trembling. I was in sweat. I could not speak a single word. My teacher came to me. I thought she will scold me today. Right? And she said, wow, Smita, you have introduced yourself so well. Acknowledging the effort. That she acknowledged that at least I was able to introduce myself. So, if the teacher was, that day if teacher had scolded me, I would have never taken. I've reached 100 sessions and I take so many, workshops, and really the teachers are engaged in my sessions. I got that confidence because of my teacher. A teacher can change the life of a student. A teacher's word can empower a child and disempower a child for whole life, or empower a child like me for the whole life. The teacher is nowadays facilitator.
They can build a principal or someone just walking. That's so great. So ma'am, before we move ahead with the fun segment, just final question I have. What are your any suggestions or feedback you have for the vision you carry for the future? And what are your things you have in your mind you want to implement in your school? And any plans or anything, a vision you have for the students? And what do you want to do in next 5 to 10 years?
In the next 5 years, I want to make my school, my students as health and wellness ambassadors. Health and wellness is very important. Emotional well-being is very important. Health, we all know, we work on it. But we generally take less about the emotional well-being, mental well-being of the child. It is very important. So I want my children to be emotionally strong. That doesn't mean that they should not cry, they should express emotion, but they should know where to express and how to express. So I want that, strong build mental in my children. And then very important one point which I have missed out, that is taking feedback and feed forward. What is feedback? Yes, in PTM record we take feedback from the parent. ये teacher का अच्छा नहीं था, वो नहीं था. That is feedback. What is feed forward? That you have taken the feedback now and how you have rectified the things. That is feed forward. So we have the same record. We have one column for feedback and one column for feed forward, where we take the feedback and the next PTM we show that record that this the feed forward that we have taken the measures or the strategies to improvise.
So that's how that feedback is.
Very feedback तो is important, but feed forward बहुत important है.
It builds for a better.
हाँ. That's what I want, and I have implemented. And in the next 5 years, I want my children to be emotionally strong and good human. If they are emotionally strong, they will be good human being. Whatever they become, doctors, engineers, or any sort of career they are choosing, but they have to have that emotional strength in them, which is more important than physical strength.
Physical strength, absolutely, ma'am. I think a lot of people are focusing on mental health now. Like a lot of celebrities have also copped up mental health. Yes, ma'am. So now we are moving to our fun segment, where I'll say any one word and ma'am has to share anything you have on the top of your mind without thinking. Any memory, any opinion, any line you can say. Sure, ma'am. So here we begin. First word, storybooks.
Spider-Man.
High-tech education.
Happy and engaged classroom.
Comic hero.
Spider-Man.
You love Spider-Man?
Yes.
You have seen all the Spider-Man?
Shaktiman and Spider-Man.
Shaktiman also. From Shaktiman, Doordarshan channel.
Surbhi.
Surbhi. Oh, nice one. Hi, ma'am.
Renuka Shahani.
Renuka, of course.
Her smile.
Her smile, ma'am. Who can forget that? News.
Aaj Tak.
Exploration.
Mountains.
Curiosity.
Children.
Ice cream.
Vanilla.
New age parents.
Pre-primary wing. Parent.
And ma'am, next is curiosity.
Children.
Career.
Doctor.
Doctor.
I wanted to become.
And you are a teacher. Oh.
I am making doctors.
Of course. A better one. Vacations.
Hill stations.
Shimla.
Darjeeling.
Adventure park.
Jim Corbett.
Yes. Festivals.
Diwali.
Favorite animal.
शेर. जंगल का राजा. टॉप पे रहना चाहिए.
Laboratories.
A nanotechnological lab in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. See the lab.
Is it?
आपने टेलीस्कोप आप इमेजिन कर सकते कितना हो सकता है, छोटा सा, इतना बड़ा सा, एक सैटेलाइट साइज का टेलीस्कोप. आई थॉट कि ये वो है सैटेलाइट लॉन्चर है. आई आस्क्ड, नहीं मैम ये टेलीस्कोप है. नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी लैब फॉर वेरी माइन्यूट डिटेलिंग. लाइक आपको सेल के अंदर माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के अंदर भी अगर आपको देखना है, सो दैट इज फॉर दैट.
Classrooms.
हैप्पी एंड एंगेज्ड.
Painting.
कैनवस पेंटिंग.
Art.
स्टोरीज.
Food.
छोले भटूरे.
Sports.
क्रिकेट.
Nice. Sportsman.
विराट कोहली.
Nice. Sportswoman.
मिताली राज.
Nice. Cartoon.
Spider-Man. I have not seen any other cartoon apart from Spider-Man.
That fan of Spider-Man. Nice.
Movies also.
Movies also. School.
Carl Huber.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for
Thank
saying
you
this. Thank you so much, ma'am. So before we leave, we'll take some final words from the ma'am. Any final words you have for the new age parents or viewers? Anything they can learn or inspire, or they want to just hear you out?
I just said in the beginning of the session, this means interview, that जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं. ये मैथिली शरण गुप्त जी की लाइन है. जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वो हृदय नहीं है पत्थर है, जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं या जिसमें प्रियजनों के लिए प्यार नहीं.
Wow.
concluding lines.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a pleasure having you on our show. Thank you so much for your time and kind words. It was amazing. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.